www.instrumentals.com.
I promise you they don't want me to tap into the link. I'm feeling the beat. Young and might as well pop the bean. They looking at me like Fred Almighty. Somebody tell these bodies this nigga's really about it. I'm not dropping the thing, minus a grudge. My energy staying consuming within me like this Mary Jane. Reaching my brain, develop the cough. I'm not usually about them prescription, but thanks. Going full throttle while I got the drink. Now I'm wired, never snitching, but I'm recording what's coming off my head. Lean got me numb to the misfortunes of some. Debbie down and uneven, though the syrup got me moving slower than the time it takes to catch these puns. But it's all good, what you're seeing is still. Get the picture, I doubt a lot of you will. Let me paint the picture, be thankful I enjoy testing my skill. Only talking about what is real, I'm fantasizing about some shoes I could really feel. Feeling this overdrive, landing, take me on a ride. Proceeding to slow and feeling like I'm growing a little more every time. But nevertheless, another message bound to arrive. Looking at it as another mountain to climb. It's not an easy rap, trying to pull the rug from under. So I make the best out of each hand. Never folding quitters, get the left like the palm of my hand. If you don't have respect for yourself, scram. Life's cold, you gotta find the heat from within. Picking up the piece brings no reassurance. Had a friend that thought differently. All he bought was time to ride, I can't see it, but I'm looking beyond the dot. Plotting, trying to cause a rumble. Rate me on the Richter scale, leaner, but my balance is never off. Check my bank account, check my stature, is what these hoes dream about. But it's fuck 'em like I leave 'em out. Never listen say I go by word of mouth. Simon says don't talk, his business as usual. I don't stop, working full time around the clock, no shit. It's clutch time. I just like the weed and don't put it to mine. I got this gift like I peaked. All it takes is patience, the passion is bound to overflow. Combining, life summing up in pairs. So it's fuck dividing, multiplying. I'm in tune with what I'm climbing. Walking down the path blindly. My knowledge is my surroundings, so I gotta keep it shining.
Oh shit. Alright, it's Kato. Just letting them know we got a mixtape dropping out. It's gonna be Halloween Eve, stashed away. Welcome to the show.